Chiro cracks. Chiropractics for everyone.
Last time we talked about some exercises to reduce the self-cracking.
I started yoga.
Okay. Any changes in your digestive system since doing that?
I mean, I did start drinking like protein smoothies.
How's your head?
I feel a lot better. I actually it's easier for me to get up in the mornings.
How's this thing feel that usually hurts you when you're chilling?
It's kind of tight.
The tender?
Yeah.
This is a contact reflex point for the gallbladder. Left versus right.
They both hurt. I think right's worse.
Both bad in the sacrum. Left versus right, still a little bit on the right.
Yeah, right. That hurts. Whoa.
Push right here hard again. Right or left or same?
Right. Is my posture getting better?
Yeah, it's better.
Really?
Yeah. You can still see your feet working really hard though. Tracing up from the bottom, almost perfectly even there, so there's not a whole lot of rotations in the pelvis. This is the hypermobile side on the right. Higher on the right, consistent with that short leg on the right, but the glute fold is better. It's even now. The head is on perfectly straight too, also an improvement. Your atlas at the top, it used to go out and then turn back, but right now it's just out. Good improvements.
Yay.
Push up against me here. Left or right or same?
Right, I think's worse.
Left or right, it's same.
Left's worse.
Still tender?
Yeah. Better. Still hurts though.
Can you breathe through your nose right now, or is it stuffed?
It's stuffed a little bit.
Any tenderness there?
Yeah.
Right or left?
Left.
This is even now?
Yeah.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
5.
5 tells us that we have to start at T6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Nice and gentle breathing. We're going to follow the breath down. Let it go. This time on the in breath, we'll give a little push. Still terrible?
No. Oh. Oh.
Breathing. How's this guy still tender?
Nope.
How's this guy still tender?
No.
Lift your right leg up in the air. Left. Down.
Oh.
adjust the lower SI joint here. That's the part that's stuck. Not as bad. Nice and gentle. Shoulders coming up this way.
That was good. I feel better.
Let this leg come out just a little bit. Nice and gentle breathing.
Wow. That was good.
There's one more. Shoulders relaxing.
Pretty good.
Reflex points for any of the organs of digestion.
Ooh.
It's tender, right?
Yeah, really bad.
Still tender?
Yeah.
Still tender?
Yeah. It's way less tender.
This one tender over here?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Better. Still hurts a little bit.
Deep belly breath. Tenderness here?
Yeah.
Here?
No. Better.
I'm going to manipulate your jaw from the inside. Tender?
Yeah.
Breathe. Push. Go the other way. Push.
No way. I've never had that crack before in my life.
Hey, how's it feel?
Better. Oh.
Wow.
I felt it in my head again. I feel great.
How's that feel?
Good.
How's that one feel?
Oh. They actually don't hurt.
This one.
Nothing.
Breathe in through your nose.
I feel way like drier.